So, good afternoon, everyone, especially my 250 odd students who have gathered so far. And many more are not expected to join because they have their Bosch training, or maybe they have their, what is that? RPA training. So, let them carry on with that, no issues with it. And we will carry on with ours. And we have certain important business to take care of. GDs have been happening in the online mode for the last 1 year. So there have been changes in the approach, in the criteria unofficially. And of course, the selection procedure has changed quite some degrees. Okay, so let me acquaint you with whatever has changed, whatever you need to adapt to the change. And we'll have a small practice at the end of the session whenever that happens, and check it can if it can be made more feasible for you. So the thing about the session today is that it will have 4 parts. I'm going to divide the session into 4 parts. We are going to take a look, first of all, at the various features of the new GD landscape, how it looks like. And then the main part of the GD would be the 3x formula to be a winner in the whole GD game. We'll talk about the traditional problems and solutions that you might have faced in the past, your seniors might have faced in the past, you might face in the future if the GD becomes a physical GD instead of an online GD. And then we'll look at the new constraints that have come up because of the switch to the digital mode for the GDs, digital. Okay, it's very confusing. All right, so I think all your questions will get answered today because we have been listening to your questions from various quarters. We have been looking at it from various angles, and we guess maybe we will be able to take care of it eventually. Okay, so let's move to and do some business. First of all, what is the new GD landscape? This is the first part of our workshop today. It is going to last 30 minutes. And here it is. The new GD landscape can be understood in 3 formats. Number one, that it is digital vis-a-vis how it used to be in person earlier. Second thing is that it is now less frequent. And the third thing is that more mistakes are being made. By whom? I'll talk. Number one, that it is digital as opposed to being in person. Now, instead of earlier, what used to happen is what you might have seen in the first year and the second year is that the teacher used to bring 10 of you, 15 of you, and make them sit in front of the class or stand in front of the class because they want too many chairs for each of you. So stand in front of the class in a semicircle or in a full circle. I mean, rarely, because if you do a full circle, someone will be pointing their backs at you. So that was not a pretty sight. Hence, it was a semicircle. And then they used to talk in person. They can see each other. They were afraid of the audience there, that a lot of people are watching them. And things used to be a little bit shaky. People were not eager to go and talk there. People were like, "Chhodna yaar, baad mein kar lenge," participate. People used to bunk classes when they heard that, okay, GD is about to happen today. There was mortal fear of speaking in front of a group and speaking in front of a class. It was like almost like facing your future in-laws in a tea party meeting, like बाबूजी नमस्ते, माताजी नमस्ते, ये आपके होने वाले सास ससुर हैं, जरा से पांव छू करके नमस्ते कीजिए. And like, oh my goodness, that kind of that discomfort used to be there. And if you had some more critical situations or experiences like this, you can put it in the chat box. I will read it out to the group for you. Okay, so this used to take place, and then so the digital GDs are now good for the introverts. The introverts love this because they would like, oh, no one's watching, just me and my homies and the teacher. No class, not my crush, not my girlfriend, not my boyfriend, nothing to lose. Izzat is not at stake. Everything is fine. In digital GDs, it is much more comfortable. It's good for the introverts. Are there any introverts sitting among you? Congratulations, good news. And digital GDs is your kind of, let's say, place to perform. It is where you are going to do your best. You're going to shine and shine and succeed at the same time. Digital GD is really good for you. You can practice in digital GD by keeping your camera off, but the GD that will take place, that will be done by the recruiter, by the company, it will want you to have your camera on. Now, there are some genuine reasons that you can state and you can tell that, okay, I have my camera off because of, there are some network issues. Network issues, really? Yeah, network issues. So I live in Andaman Nicobar Islands, and it takes a little bit time to reach the signal to reach. What student are you? I'm a ETC student. Congratulations for giving me this theory that if you are in an island, it is going to take longer than that. So that's not happening. You may want to give that kind of an answer to someone else, but it usually does not work for most of the cases. Yeah. So camera practice time, cameras can be off. Performance time, camera has to be on, which tells me that you should actually go ahead with the camera practice so that you become comfortable whenever the recruiter wants you to switch on your camera. Now, Navneet is trying to switch on his camera, but then he suddenly becomes conscious. Hey, there is no one else along with me. I don't want to be on the stage alone. So let others come and then I'll see. So what I'm going to suggest is that if some of you are interested in checking how you look vis-a-vis your competitors, your contestants, your other people, then that would be a great thing. That would be a great practice. Like you can go ahead and set up your background, and you can come up with a situation where I can pit you against your classmates, your batchmates, your campus mates, so that you can check out whether you look considerably, you can manage yourself with them. Okay, we'll see after some time, not now. Now just sit back and absorb what I'm saying. It's far too easy to practice digitally, because in person, when you were in hostels, your floor mates were not ready to practice with you all the time. Going out to the classroom, going out to the communication skills teacher, going out to TNP and asking, sir, ek GD karwa do na, sir, please, sir, we want to do GD, sir, GD karna hai, sir. Itna magajmari karna padta tha. I mean, hypothetically. Actually, it was very easy. All you had to do was to come down to CAS. You had to come down and say, sir, we are 5 of us. We want to do a GD. And trust me, no one is going to be angry at you like, you can't ask in advance. You just land up like this. No. KIIT is a private university. It is a student-centric university. It's a student-friendly university. You come first. So if you come to CAS or university physically and with a bunch of your friends, when it is not a class time, if the teacher is missing, then what can you do? So you just come down there and you sit there and say, sir, can you do a 10-minute GD for us? I mean, trust me, we were happy to do that. If there was no classroom available, you used to take it to conference hall. If there was no conference available, there was an office in CAS where we had arranged the sofas so that you guys could come down anytime and do the GD. If that was also occupied by some other students like tech students or quants or logical reasoning students, then we used to go out and sit in Kunjaban or in the OAT or in the Campus 7 lawn. Anywhere we used to give practice to anyone who wanted. You had to take the initiative. In March, when we were doing those GD rounds, some of you said, sir, when is the second GD? We told you that the second GD will happen, as you say, you come with 5 or 6 of your friends and tell me, sir, we need 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Our entire days are dedicated to you. Some of our professors go to the campus despite the lockdown. They sit, they conduct meetings, they hold consultations, they have conversations, and they are working for corporate relations to somehow get the companies over here. Lockdown is not a lockdown for us. We are there to assist you. So the next time you feel like having a GD, ping me, or you can ping your another GD teacher, Sujata ma'am, or you can ping Biswal sir and say that, okay, sir, we are 10 of us. We want a 10-minute GD. Trust me, you will not, it won't be 24 hours before you will get your slot and you will be on your way. You have to be ready. We are always ready. So it is very easy to practice in a digital mode. It was already easy in person with us, with KIIT. Other colleges, I don't know. In KIIT, it was very easy to practice. All of you stayed in the hostel. CAS was on the campus. We went home at 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. after giving all of you sufficient suggestions and consultations and counseling. So it was pretty easy. Now it is more easy. How? We're going to have the GDs at 11 o'clock in the night. Trust me, I don't mind having 11 o'clock GDs. I know that is your main functional time. That is when you are at your peak. So come up with 10 people. Tell me, sir, 10:30, please give us some time. And I will give you the Zoom ID and we will have the GD. 10 minutes, that's it. And then I'll give you a 5-minute feedback also, like how you have performed, whether I may not be able to remember. Our department won't keep records of how you have done in the past. You have to keep your records on how we have given you feedback, and you compare, you contrast how you did previously with vis-a-vis how you have done now. This is one thing. The third benefit of having a digital GD is that you will have your information at fingertips. Right now, I am working with 2 screens. There is one screen here and one screen here. Okay. So in case I'm doing a GD online on the screen like this, and I missed out some information, suddenly something comes around like black fungus. That becomes a topic. What do I do? Black fungus. Black fungus. Now I'm zero about it. I'm blank about it. I don't know anything about it. What do I do? Google. Okay, Google, what is black fungus? I can't do this because voice mode and voice mode activation will be obvious and visible on the screen. Just remember your midterm exams and you know what to do with topics that you don't know what it is about. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the second one. So now, nowadays, companies, are they interested in doing GDs? Well, new methods have evolved. Video resumes have come up. Video interviews are going on. And so many things have come up that if I do a GD, it won't make a lot of sense. Say 400 students have qualified for a particular company. What was the previous way to shortlist them or bring them down, the numbers to manageable numbers? It was to go ahead and do GDs for all of them. 20 students each time, 15 students each time. Resulting in what do you call it? It was not mass rejection. It used to be like thinning down of the entire crowd. Okay, it was a choice mode. But then since nowadays the number of the requirement for a particular company has gone down, Corona has hit, pandemic has hit, growth rate, GDP growth rate is at -7.3. We are at 2018 levels right now. So the companies are not interested to hire in advance. So if you're looking for a placement in the first half of your 4th year, that is your 7th semester, the numbers will be considerably lower compared to previous years. The companies are not recruiting the way they used to recruit. In one of those recruitment procedures, what has happened is that the frequency of using GD as a selection tool has come down. It has decreased. People are not using that too much. If someone does, they do it. Otherwise, they have switched to other formats. What are the other formats? Case studies, just a minute, elocution, pair off, whatever they want to do, they are doing. But GDs are becoming less frequent. So if a company is doing GD, rest assured the numbers are going to be higher. The recruitment numbers are going to be higher compared to others. Some companies do hire a lot of people without doing a GD also. The day one companies, they don't do GDs. They have come up with other formats, and nothing can be said. In August to September or October or November, whenever they come, be assured that they might give you a surprise at the last minute. Like that, hey, we are going to do a GD. So the best thing to do is to be ready with your GD skills. GD skills is nothing. The same skills that you need for a PI would be used in a GD, but in a very much more confident manner, because here you won't be talking to the moderator. Thank you, sir, for your topic. No, talk to the group. Guys, we have got a good topic. So this can be the approach. This can be your advantage for having GDs in this year. So be prepared. So companies may or may not do GDs. Some companies which used to do GDs earlier may not do it now. Some companies which have not done it, suddenly they'll say, hey, let's do a case study. That will give us an idea whether our business development associate, our BDA, or our business analytics person, all those consultancies. So if our candidate is suitable for it, yeah, let's do it. Let's do. A decision will be taken, and then they will call you to do this. What are you going to do in that case? last minute knocking the door of CAS or TNP or mentor or classmates or seniors. Bhaiya, please tell me how to do GD. Are bhai, we are telling you. We called 1,800 students. Look at how many people have come. 450. Okay, there are some trainings going on. 300 more would have come. But then also, what I'm going to tell you would give you an advantage over the other half of the students who have not come. Why? Because if I tell something to everyone, then everyone is going to use it. As a result, it is not going to benefit anyone. For example, I'm going to give you some super tips that if everyone adopts, then it will not click, it will not work. So thank you for giving me such a low attendance, 451. Okay, so some companies won't do GDs if the short list is already very short. They will go directly for interviews. They will not take the risk of GDs. Yeah, or they might do case study. In case study itself, they will understand like what is going to happen, who is going to take what kind of a call, etc. Now there are more problems here. What are the problems? Because of adopting the digital mode of GD, many wrong numbers are clicked. For example, some person is already a TikTok star. How many of you are TikTok stars? I'm sure Swayang is already one, and maybe Ashish is also there, and maybe Ritika is also a TikTok star. So these people are TikTok stars. So TikTok stars will do GDs very well because they are so camera friendly already. They are so camera confident already, so they don't mind, they don't have to do any worries about it. Chal ek GD ka aur GD lao, theek hai, tum तीर आजमाओ हम जिगर आजमाएंगे. They are very happy with GDs, no problem for them. But there are others who are more nerdy kind, more geeky kind, more tech kind. They are more bookish kind. They are more knowledge centric. They are introverts. For them, they might not speak up, might not display their qualities. So the companies might think these candidates don't have it. They don't carry the kind of gravity that is required. Will not take them. That would be a wrong number. Their loss, your benefit. You will go to a good company someday, somewhere. Okay. So wrong numbers might hit. You might hit a wrong number someday. And you'll say that, okay, since this company is looking for GD means communication skills. I have good communication skills, so I am suitable for this company. Yeah. Arey Baba, I mean, this is a decade-long problem in KIIT. In first year, if someone is participating in society events and they are speaking confidently, whether they like technology or not, programming or not, they will, first of all, someone will come and whisper in their ear, you are made for Deloitte. Huh? I mean, it is so common that even the mousies that come to clean your hostel rooms, when they hear you speaking fluent English, some of them tell you like, huh, Deloitte jibba. You are made for Deloitte. Arey Baba, I mean, people decide which company you will go and you fall into that trap. Yes, I'm good in communication skills. My technology is not that strong. My subject knowledge is not that strong. So I must go to consultancy. Is this the criteria for consultancy? Communication skills. What is communication skill? I can speak very fluently. Shut up. When you are doing LSRW, listening, speaking, reading, writing, first comes listening. In any kind of consulting role, there is 80% of listening and 20% of speaking. Some loud motor mouths, they think that if I speak long, if I speak loud, if I speak, loquaciously enough, I am deemed to become. No, you are doomed. You are not going there. You are dialed a wrong number. That's not happening. Another misunderstanding might also happen. For example, all of you are participating in a GD, all of you are talking, and there is a nice environment going on. Nice environment going on. Everyone is participating in it suddenly. Okay. And suddenly what happens is that one person shouts, no, this is all wrong. We are not doing it correctly. And the moderator also believes that into that. And he takes a call and saying that all of you, please keep quiet. It's not taking place correctly. One by one, you can do it. Okay. Sometimes that happens. And then when people speak one by one, the person who speaks the last has the fewest number of points to new points to speak. Misunderstanding will happen that this person does not know what is to be spoken. Arey Baba, he was sitting, I mean, his name started with V. What can he do? हाँ, विकास क्या करेगा? वैभव क्या करेगा? विशाल क्या करेगा? उसका नाम ही V से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. अब पूरा लिस्ट में उसका नाम लास्ट में है. तो इसीलिए रोल नंबर के साथ में अपना नाम चढ़ाना, ये जूम मीटिंग में और टीम्स में और गूगल मीट में, जहां पे भी हो, ठीक है. सो ट्राई मैनेजिंग दैट. And there is a higher chance of chaos. Why? Is because all of you are not connected at the same bandwidth. You're not, your voice is not reaching at the right time. I used to do this demo GDs in which one person used to speak very softly, but always in the middle of someone's sentence. I told her, like, why are you starting when the other person is speaking? No, sir. Like, what? No, sir. Sir, I always start when no one is speaking. Arey Baba, on our side, it is obvious that you are starting to speak when someone has already started. I said, trust me, sir. I never do that, sir. I'm a very constant. Okay, I got it. The problem is technical. That your speed, you get the video feed, the audio feed later than the others. You believe that, okay, now it is the right time to start. You start. But on the other side, your voice comes in the middle of someone's sentence. It's irritating. Without you can be faulted for it. So there is a lot of misunderstanding taking place. Chaos takes place in that. One person starts, okay, you say. No, you say. If this happens, then it is great. But what happens is, instead of one person getting to speak at the same time, all of you converge. Especially during November, December, what happens? People start panicking. I have not got a job already. Arey Baba, some panic people started in July itself. I have to get a job in July. I have to get, sir, J for July, J for job. अबे जून भी तो है, जाओ लेके आओ नौकरी, चलो. और J for January भी तो है, जनवरी में भी तो ले सकते हो. ये this kind of, overtness is going to hurt you a lot. Kindly try not to hurry things. Okay. No one hurries recovery from corona. Someone's temperature is gone down. You throw the mask and start running on the road or what? You don't do that. You wait for a negative test, RT-PCR test to come, and then you are confident you will not infect others. And now it is a little bit safer to go out. Okay, so that happens. So let us think about all these things of the new digital GD landscape, and let's have a look at how 4 or 5 of you can do this thing. Okay, I'm going to do a small GD topic with you. 5 people, can you volunteer for a 5-minute GD only? There are 472 people. If you leave now thinking that GD practice has started, you are mistaken. Immediately after this, I'm going to discuss the 3 formulas, the 3x formula to become a winner. But right now, I want you guys to do a 5-minute GD. Those who are interested, as I told you, to be prepared with a good, decent, not too good, just a decent background, kindly switch on your cameras. Kindly, I'm also, Tanish, I will unmute you. Apurva, I'm muting you. 2 more, 3 more, sorry. Oh, there he is. Viren is also here, unmuted. Nice. One more. Hey, sorry, 2 more. Umang is here, asking you to unmute. Hey. One more person. Acha. Can you guys switch on your virtual backgrounds? Okay, no problem. You are already there in the virtual background. So presenting the immersive view for the GD. Okay, your topic is exams during pandemics. Speak.
Exams during pandemic has, I guess, for most of our friends has been the blessing in some sorts, because it is easy to score. Most of us have not been that troubled with the connectivity issues and other things. The only problems that I guess we faced during while giving online exams, the papers were lengthy and the time durations was cut short. If anyone else wants to add some points to that, please go ahead.
I guess progressively the university also accepted that it's more of an open book exam than a real exam. So I guess they progressively decrease the time and they increase the amount of subparts we have to write in the question. So that becomes a struggle for a little bit. And then the thing is that they progressively, became very desensitized. They were not like, we'll accept another answer for another next 5 minutes, which can be a problem for people, especially when we were given this past exam. It was a little bit of a problem because I didn't get it. What were you trying to signal? So,
No, I was
Also,
trying to asking others to interrupt you. No
oh,
problem.
as
on
a
online exam is not so beneficial also because we are not able to gain so much of knowledge. We,
exactly,
when we
yes.
used to write offline exams, we write with our own knowledge, but there is something that we are like we are little prepared, and the exam is just like
I really
it's
Well,
agree with
no one
what
is stopping
Rohan
us
has
from
to say.
studying for online exams, to be very honest.
yes, and it is is
Yeah, the thing
uncertain
It's,
is,
time.
it's like it's your choice. If you want to study, you can also
Giving
study and
exams
give the
are good.
exam.
That's the problem, which are
But the
affecting.
pressure of examination is not there, so why would a person study if he knows that this particular subject won't even come in his job also, or won't even help him? Then why would he study
Then I
if
guess
not
the
for exams?
problem
no,
is
it's
that
not that it won't help you in your jobs. It will eventually, I guess.
Okay, I
I
just
don't know. I
wanted to
guess,
know, Apurva, that would
It may be
chemistry
that
that first year
online
students are
exam there
teaching
is
yes, but we did
chemistry and
not
all,
give first
would
year
that help?
chemistry. We did not give first year chemistry. We
But
gave
there are people
ML.
who are giving so.
Yes, there are people giving this,
yeah,
and
but
then
after
many
the
people
first
might as well change their industry. It's not like you're not going
no,
to change your
yeah,
industry
like
if
at the
you're
end of
doing.
first year, you're given an option to slide. So if a person wants to go to chemical engineering by the end of
And
first year,
then
be it from
they
CEC,
can.
so
So
they
it's
should
not
be
like
allowed.
exactly.
They
They
should
should
be
be
allowed.
allowed.
Like
But
it's
Yeah, yeah, go
it
completely
ahead,
a
go
won't
ahead.
choice on the
make sense
person that if
because
he
there
wants to
will be
study
a
or not.
lot of people who would cheat and get the same score.
yes,
Yes,
exactly.
that is the
We all know
issue
that
with
in
the
online
online
classes we
exam,
have
right?
got at least around 1 grade more in every subject that we
So
Yes,
would
of
like,
have got
course.
if
but
we
like
would
we are
do an
sitting for
offline.
placements right now. We know how much, like except for cutoff, the marks do not matter a lot for us. Like most of our
Exactly.
cutoffs are like 7 CGPA, 7 CGPA के ऊपर
No,
if we
if
get a
this
mark of
online exam does help people who have to, go for higher studies. They want a higher CGPA higher CGPA for a better universities or for foreign university, something like that.
But I guess
I guess
only
Rohan is
those
saying
students
something we
are
can't
getting
hear.
Rohan
better
is on
and
mute,
not
I
others.
Rohan is
guess.
saying something we can't
Overall, so we can say that online exam is more better than offline exam because we want only marks for
There are
online.
pros and cons
But
for
that
it, but
depends
there's
I
a
on
pros
person
guess
to
and cons for
person, I
both
guess.
because if you score marks and then you go to the interview for your higher education or your job, and then they ask you, oh, you have got an O grade for your ML, so tell us something about linear regression, and you don't know anything about it, so
Okay,
that is going
thank
to
you,
tarnish
thank you,
the
thank you.
universities.
Fantastic. Yeah, I appreciate all of your participation, etc. Now let us look at the scene and the screen and tell me who stands out in this entire group. Who is like most noticeable and what do you call it? Remarkable in this group. Tanish, Apurva, the girl. Tanisha, Apurva. Tanisha कोई नहीं है यहाँ पे. Tanisha वो. And Viren, Apurva, Tanish, Apurva. Oh my goodness. Apurva and Tanish, nobody. Tanish, Apurva, Viren, the girl, etc. मैं भी हूँ यहाँ पे, ढक्कनो. Viren Malhan, big time. Viren Malhan, left one with eyebrow sticker on. इसका eyebrow sticker है भाई. Eyebrows. Oh, you are using eyebrows. Yeah. You forgot to switch off your eyebrow video filter. Acha, guys, so fine. Who is remarkable in the sense? Who is most noticeable? Okay, of course, Tanish, number one. I'll tell you the reason. Because he was smiling, he spoke first, and he spoke clearly. Apurva, because ladies quota, number one. Oh, sorry, no. But she also made some really relevant points. She gave an answer to every person. She spoke after everyone. She made her presence felt. Although she is not that visible, the San Francisco Golden Gate Bridge is much more remarkable than it. That's why. No distraction. Look, nothing behind me except the whole thing. So try to look like me and talk like Tanish and Apurva. Okay, so that will be the best way to hit it. There were good points made by Viren and Rohan and Umang also, but they got lost because first of all they were sitting on the edges, they're not speaking much, and there was not much chemistry between what they spoke. And who is this guy in a blue t-shirt? I forgot his name. It's not visible here. I mean, so gallery view.
The one next to me.
I will find out. He is Viren only. So yes, so Viren was there, and if that happens, that Viren also can get through to the next round. If I have a 30%, 60% requirement, I will take Tanish, Viren, and Apurva. And if I have some more, Rohan, because he spoke last, I might not. Now Apurva is gone to Goa. Wherever you go, Apurva, that does not matter at all. You are not visible. Your facial lighting is not sufficient. Take a mobile phone, switch on the torch and put it like this. Okay, it will look odd, but you will become visible at least. No, not now. I told you do it later on. There are 480 students watching right now, so I'll have to go back to whatever I was talking, and you guys can switch off your stuff. Oof, oh, such
Sir, I
great
have a
people.
question.
All your questions put in the chat box, and we'll definitely attend to it at due point of time. Let us come to the important section that I promised you, and that was I am going to tell you the 3-step formula to become a GD master. Okay, a good confidence level was there. I already noticed that. Who is there? Umang, switch off your microphone. Yes. So let us go to the third round, G. The second area that I was telling you, to be a winner in a GD, to crack it, to actually make it through to the next round, okay, to become a winner. It's very simple. Do 3 good things: look good, sound good, and do good. Okay. If someone wants to take a screenshot, take it. I'm smiling. Yeah. Because I want to look good. The personality has to be good. Hair has to look good. Okay. There should not be any kind of long hair for boys. Some boys, especially Kolkata guys, have not trimmed their hair since March 2020. And it's almost at Bob Marley level right now. So I want you to do something. I want you to either wear hairbands, or you take a person who has recovered from COVID, teach him how to trim hairs, and then get a haircut from that guy. Yeah, please. Hair is very important, especially when you have a light background. You can actually look great against it. Your black hair or whatever hair you have left. Tanish is already disagreeing with this. Mera to chhodi do aap, mera to kuch hai nahi baki. So, but other people, you still have a future with your hair. Girls, and sometimes some girls' hair are always on a bad hair day mode. उनको जितना तुम तेल लगा लो, जितना मालिश कर लो, टिंग 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 सामने में आकर के एकदम से एक फ्रिज बना ही लेते हैं. So take care of your hair. Your dress has to be professional, formal. Don't take any chances. Don't say Google ने तो कहा है कि हाफ पैंट पहन के भी ऑफिस आ सकते हो. तुम गूगल के लिए नहीं बैठे हो, तुम ये बाजू वाले के लिए बैठे हो. हाँ, Google के लिए बैठे हो तुम, या फिर Googly के लिए बैठे हो, whatever. So your dress has to be formal and professional on every occasion. T-shirts are out, shirts are in. Now shirts you can wear of any color. White shirts, you can wear dark ones. If there is a background which is white, you can take it as a, I mean, definitely you can have a very, I mean, darker shirt, a gray shirt, but don't wear light shirt because then it will blend. So the background has to be remarkably good or different from others. MBA students, Kids School of Management students have come up with a formula. So they have created this background for them. Look, my background I already showed you was a KIIT drone shot. The shot taken from a drone that had the KIIT campus at a glance. So that is branding already, okay? But it does not have a sufficiently good contrast. All you need to do is to actually take a white background, simple white, nothing written on it, nothing done. On one corner, there will be the KIIT logo, and then there will be the KIIT motto, whatever KIIT is motto that you find suitable, 15 years of university or Institute of Eminence, okay, deemed university or best in the East, okay, anything you want to say. So that should be your branding. KIIT deemed university, logo, motto, and you, nothing else, no distraction. Who can do this? All those people who have a HP laptop with a sufficiently good GPA, graphic accelerator, graphics processing accelerator. So you guys can definitely get it done. Don't do Goa, please. Apurva did Goa thing, but I don't support it, because once the moderator gets lost in the Goa waves or on the beach, you are not getting selected for any reason. तो तुमको कोस के तुम ही वो लोगों की वजह से मैं गोवा जा नहीं पा रहा. देखता हूँ तुम लोग कैसे आते हो मेरे जॉब, निकाल देगा वो. Okay, so done. That is done. Lighting. What is lighting? Not lightning. Bijli mat marna andar mein. Lighting. You need to have good lighting on your face level. I have told this so many times in the past. I'm not going to impress on it any further. Clarity. There should be, your picture should be clear. Clean the camera. Make sure your bandwidth is good enough. No other apps are running. टास्क मैनेजर में जाकर के पीछे का सब एप्स बंद कर दो. सब मतलब whatever is not being run by the system. Okay, all the other applications close, PDFs close, Chrome tabs close, Microsoft Edge tabs close. जो तुम गेम खेलने का सोच रहे हो इसके बाद में जो तुमने आधे में अटकाया, बंद करो सबको. All bandwidth directed to Zoom or Teams or Meet or whoever is doing it. Okay, so there you will get clarity. If your face appears blurry, you may be Mr. Handsome KIIT 2019, because उसके बाद तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. So, but still on this screen you will not come across as anything. Okay. You can also give us. There are many more brandings that you can do with the background KIIT logo. One of them is rank 1 on Atal Innovation Ranking. We are that also. So if you want, you can do it that. You want to brand yourself. Your name is already there in that small window. It's already written. But if still you want to brand yourself, there can be a small high, that embossed, EMBOSSED, embossed lettering somewhere is above the lower 10%, so that it is visible, because the lower 10% will be covered in your name. For example, my name is coming across as CAS, CAAS, okay, on the tab thing. But where is my branding? So if I want my branding there, I can put a logo, because I already created that logo for myself, Speak Up India. But for you who have not done sufficiently great thing, you can look at your CV. Your name is already there, but your specialization is not there. So you can put this word cloud, word cloud. I'm repeating, word cloud. What is a word cloud? It's a collection of all the words. Which words? The words that figure in your CV. So you can make a small word cloud and put it behind you, so that the person, when he's bored of your face, he goes and looks at that. Okay, so this clarity is that. So you are looking good. Your hair is good, your dress is good, your background is good, your lighting is good, your clarity is good. Okay, now you got to make use of your face. What can your face do? Your face can smile. The best thing. Even a person with bad teeth arrangement looks good when they smile. Trust me. Sometimes ये दांत आगे निकल गया, निकलने दो, तुम्हारी क्या गलती है, तुमने निकाला, पीछे में हथौड़ा मारोगे, ठक 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 करके. It's not your problem. Someone else has done it. It's a welcome thing. It's acceptable. Okay. Facial expressions. What other things can move in your face? Your eyebrows. Okay. I know your nose can move, but moving your nose will not give you any advantage. Try doing this in a GD. No one will give you 5 extra points for moving your nose. But for eyebrow movement, it goes well with surprise elements. Suppose you are trying to say that India has developed a lot in terms of education. Bar, it becomes visible. Your eyes become bigger and you smile, compliments it, and you look good. You look good. It compliments it. So when you move your hands, these gestures, these also add to it. Okay. So try adding eyebrow movement, smiles, gestures, and your other things. Yep, you can do that. Sure. Looking good. Are you looking good? Yes, you're looking good. And of course, if Zoom is the selected option, wow. Zoom, you can go to the video settings and you can do facial touch-up. I have done 50% facial touch-up. Nothing is visible. Like, mera jitna jo tha, sab chup gaya hai. I didn't have to do anything. It's such a wonderful tool to have a Zoom as your recruitment or GD or PI platform. मजा आ जाएगा. Okay. Why in others, Google Meet, you look Aadhaar card level. Microsoft Team, it is like voter card level. Nothing, तुम कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते उसमें. You can blur your background, but in Microsoft Team, but you can't do anything about your appearance. So there you'll have to put a filter on your camera. कुछ तुम्हारे लैपटॉप के कैमरा के ऊपर में कुछ एक छोटा सा सेलो टेप मार देना ताकि तुम्हारे जो मतलब पेन पॉइंट्स, many of you are like just out of your teens. So you are still not getting rid of your pimples, so or the pimple marks or the acne marks. So तुम लोग क्या करोगे is to get a little bit of setup like that. Okay, let's sound good. Okay, looking good is done. You can take care of your appearance. I trust you because all of you are trying to get into relationships. So the first thing that a person looks in a relationship, look good. Second thing, sound good. You need to talk smart and very. People think it's not true for flirtatiously. If I speak like this, pakka 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 crush ho hi jayega ekdam se. This is GD. There is no need to crush anyone, not even your competition. You have to cooperate with your competition, not crush anyone. Yes, gestures also include. Roll number 36388 has given a nice suggestion. You can nod in agreement. This is also a gesture. It is also a, I mean, you can do it without speaking, but it's not visible. When you do like this in a small window on the big screen, you're not visible. Okay, so still do a slanting movement. Okay, like this movement, it's not visible, but this changes, then there is a change. Okay, so angular nodding, angular nodding, angular nodding. Done. Move. Sound good. How to sound good in a GD? How to talk well, speak well. Decrease these things. Fillers. I want to मत करो. Notepad लगाओ वहां पे, type कर लो जो points तुमने type करना था, mute on करके. And now read from it. What is this? I mean, two things will happen. Moderator will get irritated of you, and other people will find an advantage. अरे इसकी गाड़ी अटा करिए, मारो accelerator दबाओ, and then they will go ahead of you. If you feel like saying fillers like etc., do it, but don't create any noise. I made it a bit louder, but you should, instead of saying it, breathe it out. I am very sure about what I'm telling you. If you have a filler problem, convert your sounds to breathing. It will not be, irritating at least. Second problem, low volume. Who does it? People who are not confident. They think if we speak in a low volume, then our mistakes will be smaller. हाँ, जैसे किसी को अगर low volume में गाली दोगे तो उसको कम बुरा लगेगा ना? हैं? हाँ, ढक्कन कहीं के. अरे, तो ढक्कन ही तो बोला. Low volume में बोलिया, ज़्यादा में बोला. Person is going to get offended anyway. Aborting is also wrong. What happens in aborting? Some people are doing GD for the first time. They start, they come, they speak, they get stuck. And then they'll give up. No, please carry on. मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा. क्यों नहीं बोलोगे? तुम्हारा हक है. तुमने पेमेंट किया है, फीस दिया है, अपॉर्चुनिटी पाया है, KIIT का थप्पा तुम पे लगा है. You are sellable. You are in the market. You are definitely going to make it big. Don't abort. If you want to stop without adding something, just say like that. And more I'm going to add. And I'll add something later. ये बोल के छोड़ दो. That's it. मैं खाली. मुझ में कुछ नहीं बाकी. What kind of defeatist attitudes do certain people take up? Please don't do that. Okay, what should you do? Speak firmly. Whatever you're saying, speak firmly. You might think that it is a weak point. Many times people think my point is very weak. तेरे हिसाब से weak होगा. You say something, sometimes people will come back and say that was a wonderful formula. Okay, and sometimes coach go and give something very stupid. Do the have to. What is do the have to? Whatever you have to do, you do it. And the person comes like, Pata nahi era what I said. But the other person said, I have to. You don't believe in yourself, but some other people do. So increase the firmness of your voice, increase the loudness of your voice, increase the solidity of your voice, and you will be great. Okay. Next, you speak in 30-minute bursts. 30-second bursts. Some people speak too little, 10 seconds, done. आगे तुम बोल लो. Some people speak 60 seconds and then I want to baba. No one will give you a chance again, and people will not like you also for this reason. So kindly drop that attitude and please speak for 30 to 40 seconds. If you have something left over, we'll cover it in the next one. Don't do it right now. Speak many times. Some people think that I'll speak in the beginning, and then I don't have to add anything with it. No, you should come into the discussion many times. You can come during the introduction, in the middle part, in the summary part, in the appreciation part. So these things you can speak up many times in during the GD. So this is the sound good part, and it's a very important one because GD is about talking. Case studies are about talking. In case studies, it's a much easier thing compared to group discussion. Why? Group discussion, you need knowledge. Case study, you need analysis. What is doing good? Doing good are things which are not exactly related to the content. They're related to your conduct. Whether you motivate someone to speak, whether you negotiate with everyone to bring people to the main true line, whether you appreciate others, like yeah, great point. You don't believe it's a great point, you say it. At least you say it. You know, you'll see how it has a good effect. That appreciation will come back from the other person. Whenever someone appreciates you, go and look at your Facebook comments. If someone appreciates you after you posted your latest stupid selfie, then others will like, looking good, bro, looking good, handsome, tabahi kattal, and all those words is also, thank you. You know, it's nothing like that. But inside you are, bubbling up with happiness. So if you motivate others, it is going to come back to you, and you are going to perform much more better. Negotiate. What is negotiating? Negotiating is like if someone is not letting others speak, so you can strike a deal with this person. Friend here, I think, you have made substantial number of very excellent points. Can we please listen to the others? It would be really good if the entire group can participate. Thank you for understanding. Okay, negotiation. सामने वाला बोलना शुरू कर दिया. अच्छा, सामने वाला मतलब the person who was not getting a chance. Now he has a chance. Sometimes you can appreciate others, you can motivate others, introduce, moderate, and summarize. This is something to do with the flow of the GD. You can do the introduction in a good way, and that will be a favor towards the group. Sometimes people start plainly with this one thing. I think, in my opinion, aisa hai ke, nothing, no good morning, guys, friends. Today our topic, highlights, keywords, main points, approach, process, flow. कुछ बोलते नहीं, सीधा अपने पे आ जाते. So that's not a good way to start it. You can moderate the GD also by saying that, yeah, guys, I think we're moving away from the topic. Can you please come back to the main point that was given? Exams during pandemics. It's not about digital, it's about pandemic. Like in a pandemic, if people are suffering so long and losing their family members, is it appropriate to do an exam? So moderating people to come back to the topic. Summarizing, if you have been listening closely to all of them, then you will be able to summarize it in a very in a succinct manner, in a very appreciable manner. So these are some of the things that you can use to become a winner. You should look good, you should sound good, and you should do good. And some people have taken the screenshot of this slide and left. वो सोचे हो गया, यही अपन कर लेंगे. अरे बाबा, कर लोगे तब जब practice होगी. There is no practice going on. And while doing this, if there are some new problems, how are you going to manage them? That also remains to be seen. Okay, so I'll now take upon some of the questions that have been asked in between. Shiladitya has said, can black background be applied? Yes, plain black background can be applied, but it's a waste of an opportunity. If you're using a plain black background, then your hair will get mixed with it, and it will look like you don't have any head. Half of your head will be missing. Point number 2, if you don't use a branding there, either of your own skill set or of your university, it's another loss. It was avoidable. Okay, then it is some people have Satyam has come up with agreement sentences like, it's a relevant observation by you, my friend, or we should say something good. Dominating, it's a good one, but improving your words, no. But and instead of but, use and. It's a good point, and I would like to improve upon it. ठीक है, वो भी खुश, तुम भी खुश. But जब बोलते हो, however जो बोलते हो, or some people come up with no. So these things are a kind of a very showing down the other people, dominating, and it's not a good thing. The moderator will definitely see to it. If they are not looking for dominators, you will be out. Very few, like 5% of the companies may look for dominating people to see whether they have got the ability to push their ideas or not. But it's not an appreciable feature in any student to dominate. I have not mentioned dominate in the do good category. Do you see dominate there? I have written motivate. I have said negotiate. I have seen appreciate. This way you can dominate. But domination that goes today in a group discussion, which means a person coming every other turn, after each person, that person will say. After each person, that person will come and do a comment and not let others speak. That is dominating, and that is not appreciated. Okay, Apurva did soft domination in the last GD that we saw. She was speaking after everyone, but she was smiling and she was participating, and not too long after each person, half line, one line. So that was a model domination, you can say. What is a bad domination? One in which you usually mess up your entire ethics. That is not appreciated. Are we allowed to interrupt a person? Okay, I can take, I love KIIT background. It's not a contrast. It's like a red thing going in the back, and you're there. If you can somehow, blur it in the sense, increase the blurriness, but it should still be readable. That is a good thing. You can take that photo and make it translucent and sit in front of it so that it looks whitish, but then someone can make out I love KIIT behind it. That can be done. That background can be done. If we are wearing light colors, can we use a dark background with logo? Yes, you can. But again, it has to be seen whether your hair is visible or not. If the lighting is making your hair visible, dark background, black background is okay. I'm using a dark background. I'm not using it. The slide has it and I'm coming, in front of it. But still, it is visible. Somehow it is visible because the background is bluish. Why is branding so important in the background? Because if the background is totally blank, and if I get bored with your face, like by now all of you are bored with my face, so you are looking everywhere, and behind me you have this slide, that's why you are still in the class. If instead of the slide I was there separately, then you might not have taken notice, and you're like, chalo, ho gaya. Our attention span is over and we can no more watch this person, bye bye. So if I give something better, like if the recruiter comes to see brands like KIIT, Atal Innovation, Institute of Eminence, all your skill set around you, Python, Java, R, RJ, RJ तो नहीं था, क्या था वो, something R से कुछ एक है, and R, ठीक है, React, JS वगैरह वगैरह सब एकदम word cloud एक है तुम्हारे पीछे. So it's a soft thing. It goes in the subconscious. Automatically that person is, हाँ बहुत अच्छा, बहुत talented है ये, अच्छा यूनिवर्सिटी का है ये, ले लेते हैं. Decision making by the recruiter is a psychological process which if you are able to crack, then you will be able to win every GD. But the problem is that the same recruiter will not conduct all your GDs. Each time there will be a different recruiter and you will not get the time or the opportunity to study, except when the person has conducted 4 GDs and your unofficial WhatsApp group is telling who is getting selected, and also the information is percolating down as to what the person did in order to get selected. So if that is happening, you will be able to join the dots and say that acha ऐसा करने से select हो रहे हैं. So this recruiter is applying this psychology, and then you will be able to figure out how to behave. Possible. Otherwise, go with the usual minimum thing. Brand yourself, brand your college, minimize the distraction. If your home background, if your wall is already looking good, then keep it. Otherwise, take what I'm telling you. Okay, those who have to go for RPA have already gone, perhaps, or they have come back, I don't know. So how to observe what they are looking for? Already told you, observe the JD, job description, and Autodesk came down to select some kind of other people, other students from another branch, not from your technical branch. And Autodesk had given them like, we are going to take you for technical sales, and these are the things that we might have, we have produced in the past. Are you acquainted with these? So if you know that what they are looking for, they will tell you in the PPT. They will tell you in the job description, the profile that they send before they do the shortlisting or when they have done the shortlisting. Then you know what they're looking for. Accordingly, you can brand yourself. If one member concludes the GD should stop, or is it like all have to conclude? There are two situations. One in which there was a chaos, in which case the moderator will ask everyone to conclude. In fact, tell their point. It's not conclusion, basically. He'll say conclusion, but you can say anything at that point of time. Okay. Or in the another case is that when it has come to a natural ending, one person concluded and he did it in good manner, in a sufficiently summarizing manner. You don't have to conclude it again. It has been well done. Is my voice lagging behind the video? A yes or a no? No. Okay, fine. Cool, cool. If you're not agreeing with the person, what should you say? I'll tell you how to counter. I'll tell you how to interrupt. I'll tell you case study. I'll tell you. Okay, cool. Next one. It's 1 o'clock and we are at section number 3 of our workshop today. The usual complaints with some unusual solutions. What if I don't know anything about the topic? How can you manage that in a digital GD? What if they don't allow me to put my points? Should I go for or against the topic? I feel not confident in front of those speakers. What to do? And how to stop a person who is behaving like a Rajdhani Express? These usual complaints. And the good people who have been speaking well, etc., they sometimes find these issues irritating. They could have done much better if these problems weren't there. They had not been there. So the first thing is, what if I don't know anything about the topic? That's why some person who asked here, sir, what topic are they going to ask? It's going to be related to Corona, COVID, pandemic, vaccines, deaths, positivity ratio, Corona tests, economy, things related to Corona. It has to be there. It's there on everyone's mind. Work from home. It will be centered around Corona, but it will be from various areas. Society, entertainment. Some will say that movies, cinemas are blocked. What do you think about the OTT platform? Films should be released on OTT now. Things like that. Topics can be anything. Don't prepare according to topics. Prepare according to areas. For example, prepare about working from home. Now, working from home can be asked from many angles. Like working from home is not a sustainable thing. So do you support or oppose it? Now, it matches with number 3 also. Number 3 is that for or against. You don't have to go for or against. You can look at it from both angles and both are fine for it. For example, you can say that, sir, work from home is sustainable for software people. But if someone is from a mechanical background or a civil engineering background or electronics background, and the job is also related to that area, it is not a feasible thing to do. How? Then you will go into the details and the whole GD can take place. Don't take one side and fight about it till the end. It's not a group debate, it's a group discussion. Remember it again and again. If you don't know anything about the topic still, then there are 2 solutions. Number 1, fair, uchit, and then the second one is anuchit. Uchit solution, how to manage it happily, successfully, simply. Well, to do that, you can listen to 3 minutes of other people discussing it. If you listen to them for 3 minutes, I trust your kitness. I trust the kitness in you to be able to analyze whatever is being discussed, add some garam masala to it, and prepare a Maggi of your own. अपना खुद का मैगी बना लो. मैगी आता है सिंपल, उसमें मिलाते हो तुम अंडा, chicken, sorry, non-vegetarian guys, sabzi, aloo, whatever you mix with it, and it becomes a new Maggi. You add paneer, you roast it, you fry it, you boil it, you saute it, whatever you do, a new thing comes. Same has to be done with the GDs. Take whatever the people are discussing for 3 minutes, add garam masala and other ingredients to it, make something new. This is better than shutting up and sitting there doing nothing. Okay, so number 1 has been solved. Number 2, what if they don't allow me to put my points? Okay, if they are not letting you speak, there are 2 to 3 dominators in the GD and they are speaking on and on and on, and they're not letting you speak up at least. Okay, so what do you do and how do you put your points? Because if you stay silent for long, all your points are going to be exhausted by others. They are going to speak it and you are going to be left without points. How to put your point? Okay, so there are 2 ways. One of it is taking the attention of the participants by continuously interrupting them whenever there is a break between 2 people. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. This can be done so that some people take pity on you, have mercy on you, and then get you to speak, because you are the introvert type. You don't have the voice level, volume level required. So you will have to do excuse me. If you have the confidence and volume levels, barge in, just come, go inside. No problem with it. Okay. The second is getting the attention of the moderator. Okay. So you just look at the moderator. I mean, I'm talking generally. Digitally, I'll tell you in the next part. So you just look at the moderator asking for attention, asking for a solution to this deadlock, to such a kind of a chaotic situation. I mean, they are just not. I'm ready with my points. I can speak, but only when this shut up. They are not shutting up, not slowing down either. What do I do? So such a way you can make them feel that okay, you are ready, and you could have spoken, but they did not let you. Can I tell you the single best thing you can do while you are not speaking? Smiling. Extra smile, come smile. Medium smile, more smile. Whenever someone says a stupid point, smile some more. तुमको भी अच्छा लगेगा, डोपामाइन, ऑक्सीटोसिन ये सब रिलीज होगा दिमाग में, और मॉडरेटर को भी समझ में आएगा कि ओके, this person is able to analyze in real time basis. Immediately the person is able to figure out whether the other person is making sense or nonsense. Okay, so when they don't allow you to put your points, try to get their attention by interrupting during the low phases. There are highs and there are lows. Keep your point ready, your first sentence ready to be spoken. For example, exams and pandemic. You had a new notion about malpractice. No one is speaking it. Keep your first sentence about your content ready. What is it? Your point is, will malpractice increase or decrease if we go for an online exam mode? Okay. Now, the moment there happens to be a kind of a low, a dip in the discussion, you immediately say, what about the malpractice that can happen during the online exams happening because of the pandemic? I'll tell you what, and then you carry on. You don't let it go down. Okay, so this is point number 2. What if I don't know anything about the topic? Yeah, the Anuchit was to Google it up to check out whether if it can be done from any other resource or a location. And the Uchit one was to listen, absorb, analyze, process, and give a feedback. Number 3, should I go for or against the topic? For or against is not a question at all in a group discussion. You have to take all the sides, for the side, against the side, and be careful while you are starting the GD, because while starting the GD itself, people make this mistake of for against thing. And you will never be able to do this in a case study. Whichever companies do case studies, they will not appreciate for or against. For example, there is a case study. A particular company has found that its product is not being accepted after the pandemic. However, it had put a lot of capital into the research part of that product. What should the company do? Drop the project or carry on with it? So if you say carry on, drop, you have already made an uninformed guess because your data was not sufficient. How did you make this guess? This could have been told at the end of the case study. It's not a topic. It's not a GD. It's a case study. Case study means there is a particular case. 4 to 5 sentences have been given. Maybe an imaginary scenario, maybe a real world scenario has been given. And then you are asked to move through it. So there is nothing like for and against the topic in this situation. You should ideally go about with the analytical approach. Guys, we have got this data points, A, B, C, D, E. Let us look at this, let us look at that, etc. Shrisha has asked, what about the natural debates that rise in politically touched topics? I think there is nothing to be debated in a politically touched topic. Always go with the government. Simple. Understand this thumb rule that in a GD, if there is a topic which has 2 sides, one is going with the government, another is going against the government. Forget that you are anti-government, even if you are. Always support the government, support the authorities. It will mean that you are an authoritarian person. The environment, the country, the system that you are living under is authoritarian. But for the sake of a job, do this thing, get the job, and then let your individual opinions surface. Until then, you are either neutral or you are the government, pro-government. Always the central government, state governments don't matter. No moderator, no recruiter, no person who is coming to do this GDs, etc., is going to be a supporter of any state government. Most of them, all of them, central government. Support the central government, get the job. Simple. Is it good to be neutral to the topic? Yes, it is best to be neutral to the topic. Always talk on both the sides, so that if the moderator is on one side of the topic, so moderators are also human beings. They have their biases, they have their inclinations, they have their affiliations. So if you speak on both the sides, you will be able to touch upon the moderator's side of the story as well. That is the best thing to do. It will also avoid personal rivalries inside the group. It will also help you make friends from both the sides of the topic, because no matter how much I tell you, and people are slowly leaving the class. 438 right now, there were 502 people, 70 people have already left the class. So these 70 people have not heard what I have told them. What did I say? That you have to be neutral during the GD. So they are going to be one-sided. Like out of the 1600 students who were supposed to have taken the session, 400 have heard this, that you are supposed to be neutral in your approach. So they are going to be non-neutral, partisan, biased, blinded, one-sided. Let them come with their blind side. Okay, you go with the neutral side. Show the moderator that you are a balanced person. You can take unbiased reviews. You can take balanced opinions. You can take informed approaches and just demonstrate it. Simple. Okay, so no for and against. No, it's not about confusion. No one thinks that you are confused. You are confused when you say, I don't know whether we should go or with the company or not with the company. This is confusion. If you say that the reasons for going with the company is ABC and the reasons for not going with the company is XYZ, where is the confusion? You have showed your excellent breadth of analysis and knowledge by just pointing out what is there on this side and what is there on that side. Don't worry about it. Next point. What if you feel not confident in front of those speakers? What to do in this case? Because they have been speaking fast. They have been speaking speedily. They have been confident. Their English accent is great. Their vocabulary is massive. Their sentences are fluent. Yeah, so they are speaking and you come in and like, nahi yaar, inke सामने बोलेंगे तो मैं तो एकदम पिस जाऊंगा. पिसने के बाद क्या होगा? हम रिजेक्ट हो जाएंगे. रिजेक्ट होने के बाद क्या होगा? हम सेकंड राउंड में नहीं जाएंगे. ओके, तो क्या करना चाहिए? नहीं बोलेंगे. नहीं बोलने से क्या होगा? रिजेक्ट हो जाएंगे. रिजेक्ट होने से क्या होगा? नहीं जा सकेंगे सेकंड राउंड में. When both the outcomes are the same, when in both the cases you are going to face the same outcome, then go and speak up. देखा जाएगा जो होगा. Speak up in front of those people, of those speakers, etc. I mean, never will you regret why did I speak. It will always be a regret. I could have spoken, बोल सकता था, सकती थी, and that would have been a lost opportunity. Always speak, always speak. Nothing to lose. How much money will you give for that Zoom meeting? How much would you have paid? नया लैपटॉप खरीदोगे क्या हर Zoom meeting में? There is no investment in participating in the GD except your fear. And invest your fear, you will get bad returns. Always go with this thing. Okay. Second thing is that if you are afraid of looking at all those people speaking in the small cubicles there, look at the camera, straight at the camera. Okay, look at the camera and talk. Camera does not frighten anyone because you don't know how you're looking. Okay, cover everything with a piece of paper, look at the camera, listen to what they're saying, and now speak. So that would be one of the best things to do. Confidence also comes from your appearance. If you're looking good, your confidence will go up. So go and do one of those 3X things that I told you in the second slide, and that was about looking good. Okay, so if you look good, you'll also feel more confident. Other speakers have been doing well. Okay, so don't wait for them to do well. Before they do well, you speak up. Achha, one thing happens is that when all of this thing is going on, everyone starts at the beginning. The moderator says, okay, you may start the GD. Bye. 3 people, 4 people, all at the same time. Good morning, good morning, friends, etc. So what should you do in this case? See, if you are the person who has started first and someone else is interrupting you, you have the right to continue. You have the right to continue. You have the right to continue. So if even if the person is speaking again and again and again, you just continue saying whatever you have said. Okay, don't listen to that person. That other person will shut down. Okay, and your voice should not get agitated. It should be super calm, super smooth, and continuous. Very calm. Inside, you have to be very calm. Okay. Last thing that confidence gets hurt with is because you get a negative response from someone. No, how can you say that? You are wrong, etc. For this part of the confidence defeating measure, there are intentional efforts by other people to, down your confidence. What should you do in such a case? You should just steel up, STEEL, steel up, and not let it happen to you. Just Just take it like, okay, I may be wrong, but is the point not according to the facts? Is it not a fact that 11,000 doctors have been already attacked during the pandemic and almost 1,400 doctors have passed away? Is it not a fact? So this way you can do. All right, let's go to the last one. How to stop a person who's behaving like a Rajdhani Express? Have you seen such kind of people during GDs? Like, does not wait for anyone. Yo, I know everything. मैं सब जानता है, मैं ज्ञानी हूँ. So if this is a person and you are not capable of stopping this person alone, then do some signaling to other people. Hey, hey. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Wait. Stop. No. 3 people will gag up at one time against this person and say that, friend, I think this is a group discussion with 10 people and everyone has got an equal opportunity to speak up. Would you allow others to speak? Or is it going to be just a one-sided monologue? Thank you for understanding. Please continue. बोल के दूसरे को इशारा करो. This is one way to stop the Rajdhani Express. Another way is to be a non-confrontational, appreciating thing. You have made wonderful, excellent points in the past, and we appreciate all of it. Many of what are factually correct, but I think it's time that others also do participate. Khalas. Second point, when you are speaking and that Rajdhani Express is coming on the same patri as you are, what do you do in that case? In which case, you don't move from that sentence that you have started. Repeat the sentence again and again and again. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, etc. Just continue doing it. Okay. This will lead to the other person believing that, no, I can't derail this person. I can't take this person off the track. And the other person will obviously yield. And even if it doesn't happen, the moderator will be able to observe that this Rajdhani Express is actually a nuisance creator, mischievous person. I will not recruit that person. You will get the advantage. Okay, let's go to the last section of our session today. It is both for case studies and GDs. These are the new issues that have come up because of digital GDs, because of GDs happening online. Take a look at it. Okay, 6 problems. Number 1, there is chaos. 10 people have been put in the GD, 15 people, let us say 15 people. 2 company आते हैं, 2-4 company, 15 बच्चों का GD बना देते. काहे? कि so many people have already been shortlisted and all of them have to be taken care of. So there is chaos, huge uproar. So in that case, I suggest you choose leaders out of the people present there. How to choose leaders? You can check 1 or 2 of them. See, all of you are not going to get selected from the group. But if you take that approach that was taken in Tenet, then that if I can't have her, no one else should. वो वाला approach मत लेना, please. मैं तो मतलब create successful नहीं होऊंगा, किसी को होने भी नहीं दूंगा. ऐसा नहीं करना है. Suppose there are 15 people. Okay, appoint, identify, choose 2 leaders, 2 or 3 leaders, and let them manage the show by negotiating the turn taking. Definitely those 3 people are going to be selected if they do their jobs correctly. But if they succeed in getting the group discussion or the case study organized, then more people will also get through that round. Okay, this is its issue. Next is take turns. Don't speak at the same time. 15 people are there. You know that the moderator told you there are only 10 minutes possible. 10 minutes are only to be done. So now you know if you fight, none of you is going to get selected. So take turn. In आपस में आपसी मशवरा, आपसी समझौता, आपसी arrangement that I'll speak, then you, then you, then you. All of us will speak in the serial mode. We will not cut each other, etc. You know what happened? There is a funny thing that happened. So I gave this idea to a particular school of XYZ. I told them, guys, be very, very peaceful and very approaching and very accommodating with each other. And then they practice in that same format. There was an external who came down to mentor them. He was from the corporate sector. Okay, corporate sector, everything, lord, master, everything. So he comes down and he starts doing the GD. And my kids, they are doing what I taught them to do. Aram se, turn taking, leader wise, very organized. The corporate guy got like, what are you guys doing? I said, we are doing a GD. But there is no energy. Sir, excuse me, sir. No one is arguing with each other. Exactly, sir. No argument. So my kids were happy that there was no argument, and the corporate sector guy was like, why is there no argument? Because in the corporate sector, there's always arguments and arguments and arguments. So that we are not entered the corporate sector yet. But don't be afraid. No one will come and reject you because you are not arguing or fighting. That happens only when pure corporate people come. Who are going to check you? Recruiters. Recruiters are HR people, human resource people. They have been given the task to bring in talent into the company, not tyrants into the company. So they will take you if you behave well. Okay, take turns. What if you are not noticed by anyone, by the people? Now, on a digital platform, all of these are digital issues, new digital issues, and they're debugging. So digital issues, there are 15 small windows in which you are not getting noticed. So the thing that I told you earlier also, have a contrasting setup so that when your window is seen, there will be just a 2-color combination. What? There is your bright dress and dark background, or there is a bright background and a dark dress. Khatach. Contrast is there, immediately noticed whenever you speak up. And don't sit too far from the camera. Your face should not be too close, not too far. You can see my t-shirt that I'm wearing. It has a KIIT logo. I'm not trying to brand. I already have a KIIT job. So, but this much of you should be visible. Okay. You're from your pocket pen to your hair. This much of you should be visible. Some people sit near the camera like this. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. क्या दिख रहा था? कुछ ही नहीं दिख रहा है. खाली चेहरा. If your face is so valuable that only your face can be used, not used, but used, of course, to get the job, then go ahead. I don't have it, so I'm going to. Okay. Second thing is raise your hand. You can raise your hand in 2 ways. In Microsoft Teams, you can raise your hand. Last year, they were doing, many companies did all these processes on Microsoft Teams. But if they choose to do Zoom, because last year there was this rumor that Zoom is not secure, this, that, etc. But now it has been proved that Zoom is very much secure and things can be taken care of. Or if they take the Cisco meeting, WebEx or anything, something like this, still there are options to raise hand. Always, whenever you don't get a chance, or 2 to 3 times you have tried, they did not let you speak, you are not noticed, raise your hand. If there is an option to raise the electronic hand, raise it. If not, raise your real hand and put it up and keep it up so that you get noticed. But at the same time, keep your points ready. Even if your point has been told by someone else, still keep it. Okay, don't lose it. Your point is your point. 2 + 2 = 4. Someone else has said 4. Are you going to change your answer? No, 5. Why? He has already said 2 + 2 is 4. If I say 2 + 2 is 4, information vacuum. Like if you're participating in a digital GD and you don't know what points should be spoken. So these are a bit non-conventional methods to get your points together. Since they have not banned you, prohibited you, prevented you from getting answers from anywhere. In semester exams, of course, you are not allowed to do this, but there has been no rule promulgated to not check information from Google or from your friends. I suggest that rather than giving up the opportunity, try and collaborate, network, and connect and get your information points, tidbits, speaking points, data in order to participate in the GD from Google or by chatting with other friends on the platform. Okay. Next, if no one is giving you a chance, then what do? As I said, form a tag team. 2 or 3 people can form a small team and all of them can try at the same time and tell the speaker that, dude, you're not giving us a chance. Okay. Either this or you can praise the leader. This can be done on the digital platform also. You can do it in the physical GDs as well. How to manage interruptions? Someone is interrupting you again and again and again, saying this, saying that, etc. You don't give up, Baba. You just keep speaking. For example, if I had to say that malpractice during pandemic online exams is happening at the same rate as this. Someone has interrupted me. So I got stuck at this sentence, happening at the same rate. So he is interrupting and speaking something. How am I going to react? Look at me very particularly. Happening at the same rate, happening, happening at the same rate as previously. Let me please complete it. And it is no different than other situations when people used to climb up the various buildings to give micro notes to their relatives during matriculation exams. It happened then, it is happening now. So I was interrupted when I was saying happening. I did not give up. I was repeating the last point very firmly, again and again and again, until that other person shut up and moved away. That should be my approach. That should be my energy. That should be my commitment to my sentence. Don't give up easily. If you started, no one else was speaking, तुमने शुरू कर दिया, दो sentence बोला है, एक उतावला hyperactive person started speaking. Give hand signals in the camera like this, ruk jao, but don't stop speaking. You continue speaking. Don't give up and repeat the last point. No, don't become Arnab Goswami. Arnab Goswami will then start asking for drugs. You will also go off track during the GD and like, no one is letting me speak, give me drugs, give me drugs. Jayega fir, barbaad hoga. Okay, there is another problem in this thing is that for many reasons like this, you might not get selected in the GD round. It is quite possible because it's a elimination round. Group discussion rounds are elimination rounds in which people are taken so that the numbers can be brought down to manageable levels in the interview round. So you may not get selected. And I told you this digital platform, the misses have increased, misses have increased, and no one can assure you that, okay, your talent will be recognized, etc. So what you got to do is to hunt for happiness in each thing. Each GD will be a learning experience for you. Put it up, take notes, what went well, what did not go well. Don't take the blame on yourself. Don't put everything on yourself like मेरे ही वजह से मैं हार गया. हो सकता है, लेकिन बोलने से क्या फायदा है? So don't blame yourself all the time. Have a neutral approach towards the analysis of the failure. It's not even a failure. It's just an outcome. How can you say that you are a failure just because you did not crack a GD? Was it your performance? Was it a glass of milk that you had to finish and then you will be considered a successful person? No, it was an assessment. It was an observation. It was the review by an external person who did not have all the resources to judge you. So the decision was not perfect. So even if you were rejected, it was not your fault. It's not rejection. First of all, it is like promotion, or let's say forwarding to the next company. Because you did not get in a 5 lakh rupee company, you are going to get into a 6 lakh rupee company. If you had got into 5 lakh, in order to reach 6 lakhs, you would then have to wait for 1.5 years, etc. No, you don't forget what you have to speak. Sometimes people repeat things, the sentence when they are getting interrupted, then you don't forget it because you remember in your mind. That's why keep the cool, keep the calm approach, and then you will definitely go there. So hunt for happiness is supposed to happen each time you don't make it. Remember, the next time has become an opportunity for you, and now the competition is fewer, it is less, and you can make it better. So these are the new issues that are there. If there are any questions regarding all of these, now I'm ready to take questions separately. Otherwise, we are going to do a little bit of a GD Club activity by practicing a case study. And remember to look good, talk good, and do good. So those who have any questions, kindly put it on the chat box. Okay. Abstract topics. Some people are asking about abstract topics. Case study, I'm going to speak now only. If you are leaving because no case study was discussed, you are missing out. I'm going to discuss case study now. Acha, so there are questions about not knowing. I've already answered that, Avinav. Explain our points with an example. Perfect, Anvesha. That's a very great way to come into the discussion. Okay, let's go on. I'm going to do a little bit of introduction to case studies, and then I'm going to do a practice with you people. Case studies. So what are case studies? What are the features of case studies? Who does it? Case studies are usually done by business analytics role, or consulting roles. If the roles are such, then case studies become a point. Business analytics or consulting. or audit roles, etc. Okay. What are they looking for? They are basically looking for people with an aptitude for details, research, and problem solving. I don't want to mention any names because I will miss out many names and you will think that only the names that I mention are worth trying. Trust me, no one stays with the same company for more than 3 to 4 years unless there is some majburi. What are they looking for? Aptitude for details, research, and problem solving capability. Okay. How is it done? You are given a case. Sometimes you are given case questions. Or just a requirement for a solution. Okay. Solve this would be like should or should not. Now there are two ways. Either it is open-ended should and should not approach, or there is one more that is called what to do. What to do approach. Open-ended. They don't tell you like क्या करना है बस तुम बताओ क्या करना. Should not approach and what to do approach. These are the questions. What is the strategy now? How to solve this thing? Number one, note, first of all, read once, read twice, read once for idea, read twice for details, ID the keywords, what kind of case question? Real life problems. How much preparation time are we given for case studies? It differs. Everything differs. Whatever a company might have done last year, it will change it this year. It is quite possible. Don't go with, outdated data. Just be prepared for the skills and how much, what, why, etc. can be managed later on. Read twice for details. Then the keywords. Then read question. Connect with the keywords. And think out of the box. Reason, all the others are already thinking inside the box. So even if you speak after 4 to 5 people, your points will be fresh. It will be new. It will be on the mark. Keep evaluating the others' points, other solutions. Okay, so this is something that most people will forget to do. What? Evaluating other solutions. They will be busy thinking of solutions. Very few, only the smartest ones go do this, that they evaluate other points, peer evaluation, other solutions. Friend, whatever you have just suggested that we should actually rebrand it and come up with something new, it's a good idea. I appreciate it. But if we look at the costs involved in rebranding it, is definitely very high compared to the profits we made on it last year. So I think it's not going to be a very feasible idea in that terms. So it's a real world corporate sector approach that happens. Is it okay to read the questions first and then the case study? Yeah, it's okay. No problem. They're in the same document. You can approach in any direction, this way or that way. Chalo. So these are the strategies to do a case study. Keeping this in mind, I am asking or inviting 5 people to do a case study with me right now. Kindly switch on your cameras, and then I will allow you to switch on your microphone. And I'm writing down the case study here meanwhile, so that you will be able to process it. Thank you. No, Tanish, you are finished. Nikal le. Come on, 5 people. I need 5 people here. Come on. It's going to be a case study. Don't wait for the case study to be complete. You should be ready for any kind of a case study. Don't think that only if I get an easy case study, I will read it. Your decision will be later on. Only 2 people. Okay, that gives me an idea how confident you guys are. Market share dropped from 38% to 20%. Okay, this is a case study. I think you're able to see it. I want you to talk on it. Only those who switch on their cameras will be allowed to participate. We have Souvik, Rashmita, Apurva from the last one. 324 people participating and only 2 new people compared to the last GD. Anish has in between wore a new t-shirt and sat against a dark background. Umang is also back. Ye kya ho raha? I don't want Apurva, Tanish and Umang. They have already got their 5 minutes of fame. New people, fresh blood. I'm not a Dracula asking for fresh blood. I'm just asking for young youth and energy to be proven. What is advisable to do in a situation when there is GD with 25 people and 10% are speaking, creating chaos for 70% of the allotted time? Well, nahi hoga is tarah se, pareshan mat. Come on, someone. No one wants to participate. Kya? Dr. Biswal, you can see the state of affairs here. That
Yeah. I'm really saying that I'm really frustrated with this guy. See, such a nice session is happening. And the same guys like Apurva, Tanish, I don't know exactly. See,
oh, okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Excuse me, sir. I actually had a question here. Like, can I clarify something if I don't get something, get a term in the case study? So, can I clarify it at that time, or do I need to seek my own help and
Yes,
get this stuff clarified?
ideally, you should listen out to others and get it corrected. If you demonstrate that you don't know a very simple word that is already in the corporate sector, it's not a good start. You could have done it in the like second half of the case study. It is okay, but to start with the clarification is not such a great impression to be put. Assume whatever meaning you want and go ahead with it. Nikhil, switch on your
Okay,
microphone when you have to say something. Yeah.
Sorry.
Chalo, let's go. Rock it.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Kais Khan sir. Good afternoon, Priyadarshi sir. As per the case study of Johnson and Johnson manufacturing the stop and go muscle pain, as they found that there were many cases of heart attack, and due to the product was injected by cyanide. So as the stop and go market share are dropping, they are recalling all the stocks, and those stocks must be again put into the R&D section for the research and development. So in the research and development, they might uh, test with another type of compound other than cyanide, which is causing that. And there must be proper research and development. Like there will be uh, as per now, as per the case of coronavirus, we are knowing that there are some placebo tests going on like that. So there must be some types of tests done on a certain type of people, certain type of test subjects, including
Nikhil,
of 100.
sorry, I do appreciate with the test you are suggesting.
Yes.
Carried out on a sample space, like on a sample of some of the medicines, rather than bringing it all the stock back. Because even if we collect a sample from the market, we can get it done in the lower cost, rather than getting all the stock back from the market, then running the test and then getting them back to the market. So we can put the stock on hold.
Hi guys.
I think these points are great, but we should first look into the matter, like what caused this like tablet to cause death, and as we all
That has already been mentioned.
Yes,
So
that has
my
already been
point is
mentioned.
over here that since it has already been found that the tablets have been injected with cyanide and the market share is dropping from 38 to 20, which is an immense drop. Now we need to reconsider our strategies. I believe that the first thing should be to see the problems which is there in that particular medicine. Now, injected with cyanide is definitely one of the points which is needed to be considered. Let me finish, please.
Okay.
But at the same time, we also need to think about the brand image. Johnson and Johnson, being a manufacturer, a global manufacturer, has to build a reputed brand image, because once the image is lost, it's very difficult to come back and be in the leader again. So strategies related to R&D, what the other person mentioned earlier, also need to be considered, as well as the further advertisements which are needed to be in the near as well as far future are needed.
It's about 2000.
It was like
so
clear
we should
that it was
assume that
bought in the insecure blister packets, like, so that was already suspicious that it was bought in blister packets, and then all the incidents are occurring in Chicago. So there could be other issue
there
also,
could be a
rather than
reason, like
focusing on
only
the general.
that lot of medicine
Maybe
should
yeah,
have
exactly.
Plus
cyanide,
it was
and not
injected
all
with cyanide,
so the
so like we can have
R&D So
It
the
was
R&D
Basically, it
injected with
department
should
was,
be
cyanide.
like they
So
should do
so
a
it
check
was
again on the
yeah, on
like
that particular
particular
lot.
batch of
Yeah,
medicines,
like
and
it was
then maybe
like it
they
was done
can.
in Maggie that certain amount of lead was
Yes, lead
found,
was
but
found.
yeah, but not the whole lot, but only the March or April lot. So that was the thing which was recollected from the by the company. So like
uh,
38%,
another
it
thing we
dropped
can
from
focus
38%
upon
to
is like it
20%.
was
Let me complete.
injected with cyanide. So
Let
when
me complete.
injected with cyanide, it may be poisonous. So like we can do some research over this, that how this reaction of this drug with cyanide
No, no,
behaves.
cyanide is
But
something.
guys,
Cyanide is
So
let's
something
say
like
which is
we have
the
already
found out
cyanide
the
is
issues,
something
okay?
like it was
But then too,
injected with
after
cyanide. So
finding out
that's
the
the
issues,
problem.
we
Cyanide is the
also need
problem.
what could be done.
let's
Like yeah, so there was a like a major drop from 38% to 20%. So and considering the name of Johnson and Johnson, there is very difficulty for the company to regain the belief of the customers, right? So
Utkarsh, can I continue? I like your point, and I would like to add one more point. Okay, so let us suppose that, okay, we have found out the issues. Now, as I earlier mentioned, that it's not just about finding the issue, but to resolving them and again gaining the trust of the customers, that why they should buy our product, because there are similar products related to muscle gain and muscle pain and whatever stuffs which is related to that particular issue. There are several products and we have competition, and since our product has already been injected with cyanide and because of that our reputation has been diminished, we need to reconsider our marketing strategies as well to gain back the trust we already had earlier. Don't you think it's a valid point?
yeah, that's what I'm saying. No, like Johnson and
Along with the
Johnson is
marketing
something which
strategies,
has some and
like one we had with the like which Maggie did. Everyone like someone took
yeah,
the
that was me.
example of
That
Maggie.
is one example,
Everyone was
obviously.
connected to like the emotion. Everyone was connected to it. Then
That's what
Maggie
I'm
took
saying.
some
No?
initiatives
Like
like connecting to the
Johnson and
people,
Johnson is
sharing
something which is very
sharing your
related to the
stories on the
person.
internet about how you like. There used to be a hashtag like my own Maggie. So how people connected to that brand. There were some ups and downs, but they managed well to connect with the people. That's what we can try.
And like company has the past. Company has past. So taking that into account, we should also market the new products which are which have been
What marketing strategies do you think we should prefer?
yeah, we should always look into the past and always try to.
But looking in the past will only come up with more issues. At the same time, we also need to look for
What basically Utkarsh is trying to say
what we
is
have
like
already done.
being
It has been
having
seen that
gaining customer
38%.
loyalty.
Yeah,
He's trying to
customer
say about
loyalty.
gaining customer loyalty. He's in other terms, he's saying about gaining customer and maintaining customer
How will
loyalty.
we do that? Because we have already lost the loyalty. So I am asking is what strategies we should adopt so that we can again gain that trust that continue.
That's why I
Sure.
took the example of Maggie. Once it was lost, like there was no one else was buying Maggie and Patanjali Atta noodles took over the market. But they connected to
but
the
there was
people.
a
It's like
connection
how
between
you
the
are.
product and the
But
people.
there is a difference between health issue and dying. 5 people died. I think that's a huge issue, and that can cause a great commotion
That's what we
among
need to clear
individuals
out.
who are
That's
suffering with muscle pain.
That's
And
exactly what
Vishal,
everyone
Vishal.
is focusing. We need to clear out. 5 people died because of the cyanide mixed with it. So
Yeah,
that's what we
lead
need
was
to
also
clear it
something
out.
which was very dangerous and causing death. So the government found out and like yeah, the Maggie company Nestle has to recall all the stocks from that lot, and yeah, within the time and marketing strategies, like what they have been serving from past, and like the connection between, like Nikhil said, the connection between the product and the audience also matters. So 38 to 20% is looking like a major drop, which is
I think
Actually,
we could
just
have
tell me
Shauvik's
how
view
do
over
you
this and let
connect?
other two
Like,
people
see,
share
Maggie
share
has
their
got
views.
a quite Maggie has got quite connection because it's a
Guys,
health product and
I
not a
think we are
medicine.
shifting.
let's come back to the topic
Yeah,
again.
let's come back to
Maggie
Johnson's
rather than
topic.
Johnson and Johnson.
It's a
So let's
medicine. You
focus on
don't
Johnson
take
and
it
Johnson.
on a
Also,
regular
Souvik hasn't
basis.
given a
So
point, so it
take
would be
in.
better if we can hear Souvik.
Yeah, if
Hello,
Can I
Souvik, are you there?
continue?
Yes. See
Would
that.
you like to share your
Okay.
opinion?
Yes. That you all said that about that Maggie thing. Maggie is not that thing.
Not
When-
Maggie, related
yes.
to the particular case study which
Yes,
we have.
yes, particular the case study. See, for the cyanide, particularly that cyanide thing is causing the problem. So the company must do some
Resolved.
press release. Yes, they come up with some press release that if they are finding that cyanide is causing this, so they will help in that way. They will help that other people who are competing with us, that they must use that cyanide thing because it is causing this thing,
They
causing
must use
this
cyanide.
healthcare problem.
So on a final note, like company can re-clear or make the audience clear about its
Yes.
like the cyanide thing. That's what
See,
you want
I
to say.
believe that
they
if it
have
has been already proved that our medicine is being injected with cyanide, we can't deny it. If it already has
It
been
was
proved, we
injected.
have to
That's
accept
what I
it
am
and
also
come
saying.
up
It
with
has
a
been
support
injected with
Maybe
as
it
well
cyanide.
might
as
have
So the
happened that it just happened
reason
in
would have been
Chicago
like
and not
cyanide.
the whole batch.
yes,
Yes.
that's
That
what
is quite a
Um,
valid
Uh,
point because it
possible,
might have
and that is
happened. It
possible,
might
and we
have
have
happened
given,
for that
yeah,
particular batch.
but it
and we
has
have
Let's
happened.
given,
look
like,
into the matter, release a press
we
note, and then we
will
can look.
not, yeah, we'll not deny that the medicine was not injected with cyanide. Rather, we will accept that and we will improvise to that. And after improvising, we'll like release the press or in the social media, like, yeah, this has been improvised and improved. So yeah, it's
Yeah,
not
we
safe.
have changed the
Because
medicinal
But we need to
components
and
prove
and
along
it to
with
it's a
the
this also,
customers.
like
new component
if
in the
something
market.
produced by my company
Rishabh
gets
was saying
injected
something,
with
yeah.
cyanide, something
हाँ,
produced by
हाँ.
my
Let me
company gets
complete
injected
after
with
that, I'll say.
cyanide, what role I do have? It's like I
First of
like
all,
many
some
painkillers come in the
samples must
market,
be put into
someone
the
mix it with cyanide
R&D
and injects
section
it.
and
So
then
like
it should be checked.
Let Tamanna speak. Continue.
there should be like
Tamanna.
proper check, like if it's injected with cyanide, so like I can't
First
control
of all,
anyone.
the
Like
sample
I am selling the product, that should be sold on prescribed things. It is for muscle
R&D section
pain, so
and
no one can go and buy it like this from a grocery store. So there should be like restrictions over the drugs, like which we can't buy painkillers or like sleeping pills from any medical store without any prescription. So we need to put some restrictions over these because these are causing serious
Serious
issues.
issues, serious
So
death
here comes the
issues. Yeah.
marketing. Here comes the marketing company too, marketing team also. Because after improvising and after the work of R&D, marketing strategy should be like, yes, we have to regain that belief of the audience or the public, and we have to release that product. But the problem here is it takes time. Like 38 to 20% is a major fall, but 20 to 22% will also take time. So it's a matter of time, and like we just
But we need to go slow, right? Because if we,
It
go
will take a
rapid,
lot
it
of
will just
time. It will take a
backfire.
lot of time. Yeah, it
All
might
right.
backfire.
Thank you. Time
So-
is up.
so-
Bhavya had come. Tamanna is speaking, but I could not read any of these.
I was on mute. I didn't see that.
So those are the things that you need to take care of. These are the techno
Yes, sir.
parts. That are the digital initiatives. I will put in my next workshop these mistakes that Bhavya and Tamanna made. They're ready to speak and speak and speak.
And so
Forgot
please
to switch on the mute.
please put one more thing, like my back camera was on, so most of the time it happens with mobile phones.
Yeah, to check with the camera and check the microphone. I will do that. Okay, so one person is arguing against Rishabh. He's saying that how to dodge people like Rishabh. Too many movements and facial expression looks like artificial, kind of distracting. Finish. I mean, just put a sticker on his face. Khalas.
Come on, guys, I'm laughing naturally.
Yeah,
But
you
so,
can.
you were
sometimes when
like,
it becomes like over dominating, like when someone is making, when Utkarsh was making his point, so I think he should have let him finish.
I think I
Crossing
did.
in between
He
almost
just
everyone.
he
Lost
just
almost
behaved
everyone.
as he is as naturally as possible. That is Rishabh. You know that he is going to be like that. Many companies will not like such kind of people. Isko kaun musibat lega yaar. And some people will want isko le lete, ye sahi baketi karega. And then both ways it is going to like, I mean, it depends on who is hiring. It's not like he'll get the same kind of a response from all the companies. It's going to change from company to company. Okay.
Rishabh was like,
So
opponent, no, this product has to go down, and there was no other marketing strategy. Like he was against the product.
The case study is immaterial. A case study is
No, why
how
not?
you
We can
treat
bring the
the
product
case
back.
study. That is the question. Okay, so Rishabh somehow became the moderator, and he was the one. Tu kya karega? Tu kya karega? Bata, tu bata. Like that is what I want. Like if a person can do both the things, like manage the group and contribute to the group at the same time. Chalo. Yeah. So yes, they came up. The solutions were not exactly achieved. because I don't want a solution. I am not Johnson and Johnson कि यहाँ ये 4-5 B.Tech third year लोग आकर के मेरे को बताएंगे तब मेरा strategy चलेगा. मैं हार्वर्ड और स्टैनफोर्ड से MBA वालों को क्यों हायर कर रहा हूँ? They will give me solutions, ना? Not these gentlemen and ladies. Okay, yeah. So Rishabh was also tricky in that sense that his actual contribution was less, but he did this, as I told earlier. He did this. He was evaluating other solutions. His thinking was not too much out of the box. He was like, "तू क्या बोला? तू ऐसा क्यों बोला? तू वैसा क्यों बोला?" So all you need is a kind of gutsy mode in order to just go in. It's like a bull in a china shop. So though he is not doing any constructive activity, is definitely getting marked. Okay, remarkable, noticeable, and all those things. So some people will not like him, but many companies will take him. I told you, like my company needs some people who will who can take on the clients without fear. I'm taking him. I don't have any objections. So this is it. Thank you for coming down for the session. The recording has been done. In case you like it or love it or hate it or what it, but in just don't sell it to Silicon or Centurion or other universities.